Now, dear students, we will discuss about methods to remove temporary hardness. First, we will discuss about the methods by which we can remove temporary hardness. So, first method to remove temporary hardness is the by heating, by simply heating. We know that temporary hardness is present due to presence of bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium. So, if bicarbonate of calcium is taken, CaSO3 का whole twice is taken, and if this compound is heated, then what happen? It forms CaCO3 plus CO2 plus H2. In this way, here calcium carbonate settle down at the bottom of container in form of precipitate or suspension. Carbon dioxide is a gas. It's, it release from that container, and in this way hardness of water is removed. Now second is the if magnesium bicarbonate is taken MgHCO3 का whole twice. If magnesium bicarbonate is taken and if this compound is heated, then it form MgCO3 plus CO2 plus H2. If magnesium bicarbonate is taken, MgSO3 is taken, and if this compound is heated, then it form MgCO3 plus CO2 plus H2. So here also magnesium carbonate is a type of precipitate, or it may be present in form of precipitate and settle down at the bottom. So in this way, by simply heating, temporarily hardness of water is removed. Now second one is the Clark method. Second type of method is a Clark method. Clark method. Second is Clark method. Second is Clark method. Second Clark's method. Clark method. Actually, in this method, bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium react with lime water. Lime water is CaOH का whole twice. So in this method, bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium react with lime water. For example, if calcium bicarbonate is taken, CaSO3 का whole twice is taken, which react with lime water, CaOH का whole twice. Calcium bicarbonate is taken, which react with lime water. Then it form CaCO3 in form of precipitate plus CO2 plus H2. CO2 plus H2. So if calcium bicarbonate passes through lime water, calcium hydroxide, this one is lime water, passes through lime water. Calcium bicarbonate is passes through lime water, then it forms calcium carbonate, CaCO3 plus carbon dioxide, and in this way hardness of water is removed. Now, if magnesium bicarbonate is taken, if magnesium bicarbonate MgHCO3 का whole twice react with CaOH का whole twice, then what happen? If magnesium bicarbonate react with calcium hydroxide, then what happens? Then it form MgOH का whole twice plus CaCO3 plus CO2 plus H2. So in this way, when bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium react with lime water and passes through lime water, then such type of compounds are formed in calcium carbonate, carbon dioxide, and magnesium hydroxide. These substances are removed from water, and in this way hardness of water is also removed. So this one is Clark method, and with help of this method we can remove temporary hardness. Now next thing we will discuss methods to remove permanent hardness. Next thing we will discuss methods to remove permanent hardness. Methods to remove permanent hardness. Dear students, please write down these equations in your copy. Now, we will discuss about methods to remove permanent hardness. Permanent hardness. Methods to remove permanent hardness. We will discuss here methods to remove permanent hardness. Methods to remove permanent hardness is also divided into different parts. The first method to remove permanent hardness is by sodium carbonate. First is the by sodium carbonate. By sodium carbonate. First is the by sodium carbonate. In methods to remove permanent hardness, first we will discuss about by sodium carbonate. If chloride or sulfates of calcium or magnesium are taken, if chloride or sulfates of calcium and magnesium, and if these salts react with sodium carbonate or washing soda. Actually, washing soda is Na2CO3.10H2. Washing soda means it is Na2CO3.10H2. It is washing soda which present in crystalline form, water crystallization form, Na2CO3.10H2. And if this compound is heated, then it converted into anhydrous sodium carbonate, that is known as a soda S, Na2CO3 that is a soda S. Okay. So now, if like calcium chloride or magnesium chloride, if CaCl2 react with sodium carbonate, Na2CO3, so then it forms CaCO3 plus twice NaCl, sodium chloride. CaCO3 plus twice NaCl. Similarly, if MgCl2 is taken or MgSO4 is taken, magnesium sulfate is taken or calcium sulfate is taken. Okay, so if magnesium sulfate is taken, like MgSO4 is taken, which react with sodium carbonate Na2CO3, then what happens? It form MgCO3 plus MgCO3 plus Na2SO4 plus Na2SO4, sodium sulfate. So in this way, by sodium carbonate or with help of washing soda, we can remove permanent hardness. So this one is important method to remove permanent hardness. Now, second thing we will discuss about the Bicalgon method. Bicalgon method. And dear students, please write down these equations in your copy because it is very important. Please write down these equations in your copies. Now, second is the Bicalgon method. Second is the second method is the Bicalgon by Calgon method. By Calgon method. Actually, in this method, Calgon, a type of compound, is taken, which is known as sodium hexametaphosphate. Sodium hexametaphosphate, that is known as a Calgon. Sodium hexametaphosphate. Na6P6O18. Na6P6O18. It is sodium hexametaphosphate. This compound is sodium hexametaphosphate. Sodium hexametaphosphate. This compound is taken. Sodium hexametaphosphate. It is a Calgon. So if this compound is mixed with water, then first it is split. If this compound is mixed with water, then it is split to form twice Na plus Na4P6O18. This one. Na4P6O18. So this compound is sodium hexametaphosphate, which is split to form twice Na plus Na4P6O18. Now this Na4P6O18 2 minus, this ion react with divalent cation like Ca2 plus or Mg2 and form a type of complex ion. In this way, Na4 in this way, Na4 P6O18 2 minus react with M2 plus ion. M2 plus ion means ki it is Ca2 plus or Mg2 plus. It's calcium or magnesium, and to form Na2M P6O18 2 minus plus twice Na. This complex ion is prepared. 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 This one is the complex ion, Na2M P6O18. This one is complex ion. Complex ion. So in this way, divalent cation like calcium or magnesium ion combine with this complex ion and permanent hardness is removed. So this one is the important method to remove permanent hardness. Now second, we will discuss about ion exchange method. Ion exchange method. The next method is ion exchange method. Next method is ion exchange method. It is known as the permuted or zeolite method also, because in this method permuted or zeolite is taken. So it is permuted or zeolite method. It is also known as a permuted or zeolite method. Actually, permuted or zeolite is sodium aluminum silicate, NaAlSiO4. NaAlSiO4. Sodium aluminum silicate, NaAlSiO4. NaAlSiO4. It is sodium aluminum silicate. It is sodium aluminum silicate. It is sodium aluminum silicate. It is a permutate or zeolite, or it is known as a sodium aluminum silicate. It is also represented with help of NaZ. NaZ. So when NaZ react with M2 plus, then it form Mz2 plus twice Na plus. Mz2 plus twice Na plus. Mz2 plus twice Na plus. So permutate or zeolite react with M2 plus and form Mz2 plus twice Na plus. Now, if you want to regenerate again NaZ means zeolite, then this Mz2, this compound react with Mz2 react with NaCl to form NaZ plus MCl2. So in this way again zeolite can regenerate. So this method is very important and it is known as a ion exchange method. It is also known as a permutate or zeolite method. It is also known as sodium aluminum silicate. Dear students, you should keep it in mind in what way we can remove hardness, permanent hardness of water with help of permutate or zeolite method. Now next is the now dear students, next method is synthetic resin method. Next method is synthetic resin method. Synthetic resin method. Actually, resins are work as a cation exchanger, and general formula for resin is RSO3Na. RSO3Na. It is a sodium salt of sulfonic group, RSO3Na. And when synthetic resin react with divalent cation like Ca2 plus Rm2 plus Ca2 plus Rmg2 plus, then it form R2M. It represented with help of, it can represented with help of RSO3, Na is represented with help of RNA. It represented with help of RNA, and if it react with M2 plus, then it form R2M plus twice Na plus. So in this way Ca2 plus Rmg2 plus react with alkyl group and remove from hard water, and we can remove hardness of water also. So it is also important method to remove permanent hardness from water.